Hello, my name is Mimi Chizoba Femi. Okay, I'm from Nigeria and I'm a cosmetologist and skin therapist and I own a spa back in Nigeria. Okay, my reason in choosing the laser course is because, with laser, it's a bit tricky. People don't understand that's a bit tricky. They feel like, okay, yeah, if you have the basic, if you understand a laser machine, but there are safety precautions that you need to take for both you and your patients so that you can get like the good results that you want to achieve. Because the whole point is to learn and like educate yourself on how to like solve like skincare issues and problems, because it's really present in the world. Like people have like lots of skincare like issues, and then that's the passion behind everything that you do. And I have a passion for skincare, so my main reason in choosing the course is to learn and educate myself and be more aware of these reasons, and because really helped me like choosing the course. So I'm glad that I did choose the course. Yeah. Okay, lasers are important to me because I think laser is like the new thing in the world. Like, you can tell that lasers help to like solve loads of like skincare pressing issues. Some people are depressed with like lots of issues that they are facing, especially like the ladies, and for generally both men and women. Yeah, so the laser has really helped in the world and like to regain like confidence for like young ladies, like for people in general. So I think the laser is like it's like a medicine, medicine to lots of skincare issues, and it's good. It's a good one. My highlight of the course is the hands-on training, and then the communication, and then like I said, like in life, like there are little things that when you take for granted could cause like major harm or good. So like I've learned a lot of things in the sense that, okay, now I know like the precautions to take in using lasers, and I know I know what to do for like to choose like skin type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sometimes it's not just about what the manufacturer says, is you. So now I have an understanding on like the skin type and then what fluency to use, and all that. So it has really helped me with that, and that's my major highlight, because now how formerly I know about laser and then I'm confused, but now I'm sure like, okay, I'm ready to go into this, and I know that I will be able to like help people solve like skincare issues. So that's it. Like I said, the main reason I'll advise my colleagues or like anyone I know to get trained in laser, like my colleague in my business line, is because it's actually going to help do a lot of good if you know how to use a laser machine, a particular laser machine. Like there are lots of machines, but there are different ways to use them, So I know that like the more knowledge you have about something, and then not just about reading about it, like the practical, when you practicalize, and then, and it's easier and it's better for you to understand the machine and also give good results to your clients, because that's the main reason, is for you to be able to use the machine and then give like a good result, and then you have a client come back to say, oh, thank you so much, my skin is good now. Like that's the happiness, So I rather than learn and like know like this is the benefits, yeah, and this are like the precautions that you have to take to be careful so that you don't give like a client a burn, because a client cannot come to you to treat an issue and then you worsen it. So I think it's very good for them to get the knowledge that they need to use a laser machine.